How to improve graphics performance in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. Once the game loads, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the game menu, then select Settings. Under the Settings menu, look for the Graphics section and tap on Customize button. Here you can change the graphics quality, resolution and depth of field. Adjusting graphics quality helps balance visual detail and smooth gameplay. Higher quality makes the game look sharper but may reduce performance. Lowering it can make the game run smoother without losing too much visual appeal. Changing resolution affects the clarity of textures and objects in the game. Higher resolution gives sharper visuals but can slow down performance. Reducing it can improve frame rates and makes gameplay smoother. Depth of field blurs distant objects to create a cinematic effect. Enabling it enhances realism but may impact performance. Disabling it can boost smoothness while keeping the game playable. Now you know how to improve graphics performance in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.